Okay, for my next example, it says the table below shows a linear relationship. Right, and it says based on the table, what is the rate of change? So just keep in mind that this word right here, rate of change, is just another fancier way of saying, slope. It's a fancier way of saying that. Um, so I have a table. So I've already told you plenty of times, if you have a table, you should probably want to head to your spreadsheet. Now again, I open my spreadsheet. I make sure I clear it up first because I notice that I have some pages up here, so I'm gonna press Control and N, and I don't want to save. So now I want to head to my spreadsheet. Now keep in mind that I know this table doesn't look like the typical table we see, right? But always remember that whenever you're given a table, whether it's sideways or not, right, the first values that you see are always your x values, and the second values that you see are always your y values, right? So if I look at my actual spreadsheet, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill out my table. I'm gonna do x and y, like always, right? And then for my x values, I'm gonna go ahead and input the first values I see. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Oops, 11. Enter. And for my y, I'm going to input my second values, which in this case is the balance or the dollars. So I have 35, 52, 69, 86, 103, and 120. Right. So I went ahead and filled out my table. And I'm going to, again, make sure you're not on the values anymore. I'm on a blank space. And I'm going to type in menu 413. 1, 3. Where it says X list, I type in the X, and where it says Y list, I type in the Y. Enter, enter. And I get that my values for this example, I get that my M, right, and I'll write it somewhere here. I get that M is equal to 8.5, and I get that B is equal to 26.5. Now again, in this example, we're looking for the rate of change, which again is just a fancier way of saying slope. So we're looking for my M. So this right here, my answer would be 8.5. Now you notice this one's a griddable one, so you would just bubble it in on the test, on the exam.